Hey guys, it is Julie here with JT Wealth. In today's video, we're taking a look at two artificial intelligence stocks, both with some great growth potential. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. Like I said, today we're going to take a look at two artificial intelligence stock leading the new wave. Both of these come with buy ratings from 5-star analysts and some pretty attractive upside potential. So in today's video, we're going to take a closer look at each company, what it is that they do, and what analysts are predicting for their stock's future. And just before we get into those two companies, this is just your friendly reminder that if you enjoy today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to check out some of the great links in our description as well. This includes a link to my favorite resource, TipRanks. Now, their free plan has a lot of great information, but the premium and ultimate come with some pretty incredible tools. So if you're thinking of signing up, make sure you use that link down below to let them know I sent you. All right, now getting into these two artificial intelligence stocks. And the first company we're taking a look at is CRNC Incorporated. They trade under the ticker CRNC and are currently at about $108.80 per share. Now, CRNC develops AI tech as the brain behind autonomous vehicle systems. They say when it comes to mobility, they're redefining state-of-the-art. With conversational AI products that unite consumers' transportation and digital lives, they're building the heart and soul of the modern mobility experience. Their AI technology has been developed over 20 plus years of innovation and is used with over 65 customers and partners. They also hold over 1,400 patents on their technology. And there are over 325 million cars with CRNC technology, and this includes some very recognizable car brands such as BMW, Toyota, GMC, Honda, and Ford. Beyond their voice assistant technology, they're also seeing a major shift in everything with advances in AI, and they're seeing a new focus on autonomous driving, and will be working on different car sensors and cloud data with contextual intelligence. Earlier this month, CRNC had their first quarterly report for 2021, and they beat analyst forecast, causing analysts to start updating some of their predictions. They saw record revenue of $95 million, which was 23% year-over-year growth. They had a 72% GAAP gross margin for $22 million GAAP net income and a $40 million adjusted EBITDA. Following the latest results, CRNC's 10 analysts are now forecasting revenues of $381.8 million in 2021. This would be a decent 10% improvement in sales compared to the last 12 months. Per share earnings are expected to surge 172% to about 95 cents per share. Covering this company for Needham is 5-star rated analyst Rajvindra Gill. He says, with a rebound in auto production after coronavirus-related shutdowns and CRNC's continued success in gaining market share, edge revenues continue to rise. Management continues to see penetration rates increasing regardless of what happens with short-term auto production. Rolling out our 10-year model and extending our forecast from 2025 to 2030 as we increase our confidence in the company's ability to execute and the recurring nature of its revenues, our model forecasts revenue of $1.1 billion in 2030 and free cash flow of $367 million. Altogether, there are 8 analysts that have current ratings on the CRNC stock, and it comes in as a moderate buy, with 5 buy ratings and 3 holds. The average price target is $124 for about a 14% potential upside. But if we take a look at the detailed list of those analyst forecasts, I think our actual average price target will increase here in the near future, as some of those price targets are a bit dated now as we're coming up on 3 months old. We have a couple buy ratings from 3 months ago that are currently at negative potentials since the stock has grown, whereas our most recent ratings within the last month are pretty much all positive. The most recent was that 5 days ago from Needham with the $155 price target for about a 42% potential upside. So a lot of great growth potential there, especially when we know that the demand for autonomous technology and car technology in general, as we see a boom in these EV vehicles, is growing really quickly. Now, the second company we're taking a look at is REKR Systems. They trade under the ticker REKR and are currently at about $16.85 per share. Now, REKR occupies an interesting niche, one that you probably don't think of often, but one that will see huge gains from the application of AI tech. REKR's technology is propelling the evolution from traditional license plate recognition systems and traffic monitoring to AI-enabled smart roadways capable of serving multiple missions from a single source. They are positioned firmly in that DMV area at the intersection between private business and government operations. They offer 15 different intelligence solutions and serve over 500 different regions. Their technology is used for a lot more than just license plate recognition and traffic monitoring, and is used by companies like Hyundai to help develop innovative solutions such as checking a vehicle's recall status via the owner's phone, or by companies like White Castle, who have partnered with REKR to enhance the drive-through and curbside pickup experience. Organizations using REKR AI include companies such as Nokia, NVIDIA, and even MasterCard. And they say that there is about a $60 billion addressable market, as their vehicle recognition solutions sit at the intersection of legacy markets for video surveillance, ALPR, video and parking management that are evolving into markets for smart cities and intelligent roadways. They also say there are plenty of merger and acquisition opportunities, as the market is filled with legacy providers with dated solutions which are ripe for disruption and consolidation. Their typical target has a strong, sizable customer base but underwhelming technology, and they've been working with an investment bank to actively build a pipeline of potential opportunities. Covering the REKR Systems stock is 5-star analyst Michael Lattimore. He describes REKR's expansionary potential as multiple shots on goal. Elaborating, he writes, Oklahoma just launched its uninsured motorist program using REKR's technology this year, and that model is eminently repeatable in other larger states. Texas just passed a bill out of committee authorizing such a program, and Florida is soon to follow. MasterCard is talking to multiple quick-serve restaurants to deploy REKR technology to improve the customer experience by using license plate information to accelerate customer transactions. Tollways are looking to replace legacy RFID services with better and faster recognition. Now, Lattimore is one of just 2 analysts that have covered the REKR Systems stock, but they both come in with a buy rating. The average price target is $25 per share for about a 48% potential upside. And like Lattimore, the other analyst covering the stock is rated with 5 stars as well, and that is Zach Cummins from B. Riley, who has a $26 price target for about a 54% potential upside, and both of these ratings came within the last 2 weeks. So there we have 2 companies in the artificial intelligence space with some pretty exciting technology and a lot of potential for future growth. Now, you guys know I always love hearing from you, so let me know your thoughts on these 2 companies, plus what other AI related stocks are catching your eye lately. Make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are just meant for information and entertainment purposes to bring some new companies to your radar that you can then go and do further research and due diligence on before making any investment decision. If you made it all the way to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and cheers.